What is your word of the day?
So I couldn't come up with one word, so I kind of created my own word for the day, and it's growmentum. So it's a combination of growth and momentum. And Frank, if you look back over this year, growth and momentum are the only two factors that outperformed for the first 3 quarters of the year and then continued to outperform during the month of October when we saw things start to shift around some in the marketplace. And so I think you're going to continue to see them lead from now till the end of the year, especially with the idea that we'll have higher growth under President Trump coming, and then those Mag 7 stocks coming kind of back to the front of the classroom and leading the market again. Growth and momentum, I think, will continue to be strong factors.
By the way, I was smiling as soon as you said, I love this growmentum. I'm going to give you credit like the first 3 times I use it, but after that, I'm going to act like I made it up, Victoria. I love growmentum.
Right,
That's a great one. Let's talk about these Trump trades. How much more legs do you think they have under them? Why don't we start with financials? Big pop yesterday on the idea that there's going to be less regulation, also ahead of the Fed meeting today, where we're expecting a quarter basis point cut, or a quarter point cut, I should say. When we look at financials, how much more?
Yeah, I've really liked financials all year. I continue to like them. And I think there is still room here for these. One, because there's going to be less regulation. We already know Basel III has been a positive. And so if you get even less regulation coming, that will be positive. And then, like you said, with the Fed meeting, what is the shape of the yield curve going to look like? We think it's going to get steeper. And it's not just the 2 to 10 year, it's that 3-month to 10 year that is starting to steepen. I think we're down to 13, 14 basis points there in that spread. And so that's going to be positive for banks as well. And those large banks have good balance sheets. So I think you've got some room to run there.
We want to get to your picks, but very quickly, any concerns about the idea of expanded tariffs? Are there any sectors or individual stocks that you just want to stay away from on the idea that there could be an expansion of tariffs?
I think when you look at tariffs, you really have to separate it, Frank, into those on China and those everywhere else. The ones that will affect China, I think, are pretty much a given once the new administration comes in. So I would be very careful in the companies that have large exposure there. But for the tariffs on the rest of the world, let's see how that plays out. I'm not so sure we see as much of that as many people anticipate.
Victoria, what are your picks for today and why?
Yeah, so obviously you talked about Qualcomm a moment ago. That's been a pick of ours for the last few weeks, and then they had really strong earnings yesterday. If you want exposure to the tech sector, but at a PE that is much less than a lot of the other names there, this is a good place to be. They've been growing share in the handheld market, and it makes up about 73% of their revenue. They have their new chip coming out, so I think that's a good name for your portfolio.